Hi students, it's Miss Garcia here. Today we're going to be making some Play-Doh pizza and playing with some Play-Doh. Let's start. Look, let's make some Play-Doh pizza. Do you want to make some pizza? I do. Yes, I do. Let's ready. Let's go make some. Uh-oh. Help. Open. Open. What color should we get? I want blue Play-Doh. I want pink Play-Doh. Make Play-Doh pizza. Turn the page. Roll ball. Open. Take out. Out more Play-Doh. Take out more Play-Doh. Wow, look. I see blue Play-Doh. I roll ball. Roll. Roll. I roll ball. What's next? Push Play-Doh. Push. Push more. Push Play-Doh more. Look, I pushed Play-Doh. What's next? Roll Play-Doh. I roll Play-Doh. Roll. I roll Play-Doh more. All done roll. What's next? Rip Play-Doh. Different color. Open Play-Doh. Open pink Play-Doh. Open. Let's take it out. Rip Play-Doh. Rip Play-Doh more. 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 Rip Play-Doh again. Rip Play-Doh again. No more. Let's put it in. Put in pink Play-Doh. What next? Put on toppings. Put them on. Put on more toppings. Put on more. Put on more. Uh-oh. Stop putting on. There is no more. Put in. Look, I like it. Look at my Play-Doh. What's next? All done. I made a pizza. I like my pizza. Do you like? Yes. Our book is all done. It is your turn. You make a pizza. All done pizza. Put in pink Play-Doh. Close pink Play-Doh. All done. Put in blue Play-Doh. Close blue Play-Doh. All done.